Hi guys! Thank you all for watching and welcome back to Sewing Clara. Today is a fun project for dog owners or a great gift idea for dog owners. We're gonna create together a Snuffle Mat, or also called Snuffle Carpet. So if you wanna know how I made our new Snuffle Mat, then please keep watching. For our today's project, you will need 2 blankets in colors of your choice and any kind of base that has holes in it. I used a felt mat that I got into a home decor store. Optional are also a few suction cups for slippery surfaces. As a first step, I decided where I wanted to position the suction cups. I have sewn them in place. If you need help with hand sewing, check out my playlist Hand Sewing for Beginners, linked in video description. You might want to pick bigger suction cups. These ended up being a little bit too weak and I had to replace the one in the center with a really big one later. That's what she said. Then I needed to cut both blankets into small strips, 3 centimeters times 20 centimeters, that equals 1.2 times 7.87 inches. I found the easiest way to do it was to draw several lines on the blankets and then to cut the strips. First, I cut only about a third of each blanket of both the peach and the black colored blanket. Next, I started pulling the strips through the holes in the base and tying them with a double knot. I wanted to have the center in peach color. I found turning the base to the wrong side always helped me to see the pattern I was creating a little bit better. I kept tying the peach-colored strips until I thought it was time to switch colors. Then I continued with the black strips until I created a kind of a circle around the peach center. I went back in with the peach color again and I created another circle. At some point I had to cut more strips in both colors. And you guessed it, I continued as long as I felt was necessary for the desired color scheme I had in mind, and until the base was full up to about an inch away from the edge. And then the Snuffle Carpet was done, and it was time to test whether our husky liked it. Egon, our Siberian husky, confirmed the quality was up to his very high standards. He found all his treats and requested more for future sessions. Alrighty, so that's how I created our new Snuffle Matt. Aegon loves it and he's playing with it almost every day. He's having a lot of fun with that. I've read somewhere that 15 minutes of mental enrichment for dogs is like 1 hour hiking or walking. So I don't necessarily know if the numbers are correct, but I can always tell that when Aegon is playing with smart toys that he's super tired afterwards. And one thing I really love about this Snuffle Mat is that it's so small, so it's really great for example, traveling or for work. Aegon is being trained as a therapy dog, so in future, once he'll be fully trained, we'll be going to senior homes, to schools or to kindergartens, and we'll be bringing this Snuffle Mat with us. By the way, Aegon is a rescue husky. We adopted him this February, so he's been with us at this point about 6 months. And even though we had a really difficult start, it was definitely worth it because he's such a wonderful dog, and at this point he's super relaxed. The thing is, he's about 2 years old, he's never been trained, and his previous owner did not treat him well, so it was not easy at the beginning, but I would do it again because he's just wonderful. And before that we used to have another rescue husky. His name was Shadow. You might have seen him in some of my previous projects, for example, DIY Paw Balm. Unfortunately, Shadow crossed the Rainbow Bridge this February. He was a senior when we adopted him, so we knew that we didn't have much time with him, but we've been still super heartbroken. But fortunately, Aegon came into our lives and he helped us to heal our hearts. So anyway, that's gonna be it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's project. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate you very much and see you next time. Bye.